Are you drowning in data chaos? Still using random notes to track defects, errors, or process issues? Let me show you the simplest tool to collect data without stress: the check sheet. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, where we turn complex tools into simple solutions. Today, we'll explore how check sheets can save time, reduce confusion, and improve your process like never before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and use a check sheet the right way. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is a check sheet? A check sheet is a structured, prepared form used to collect and analyze data. It's used in Lean Six Sigma projects to capture facts, not opinions. It helps teams make decisions based on real evidence. Why to use a check sheet? Because it simplifies data collection. No more messy spreadsheets. No more guessing. You know exactly what to track, when to track, and how to analyze it. What are the common uses of check sheets? Counting defects in a process. Tracking the frequency of an event. Recording data by location, time, or type. Monitoring daily checklists. Check sheets are often used in manufacturing, service, and healthcare industries. Anywhere there's a process, a check sheet can help. How to create a check sheet. Step 1. Define the purpose. What do you want to measure? Step 2. Identify categories. Defects, errors, time, etc. Step 3. Decide on time frame. Hourly, daily, weekly. Step 4. Design a simple form. Keep it clear and easy to use. Step 5. Test it. Make sure anyone can use it without confusion. What are the best practices? Keep it visual and clean. Use tick marks or tally symbols. Avoid unnecessary complexity. Train your team to use it consistently. In conclusion, check sheets are simple but powerful. They bring structure to chaos and make decision-making faster. No fancy tools, just clarity, consistency, and results. Start using check sheets today. Streamline your process. Cut the confusion. Make smarter decisions. Let us know in the comments how you're planning to use check sheets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.